Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, LLMs from Scratch, a project that demystifies the magic behind models like ChatGPT. It provides a step-by-step guide to building your own large language model in PyTorch from the ground up. This is your chance to move beyond APIs and truly understand the core mechanics of modern AI. How many developers using large language models can actually build one from scratch? It's a fair question. Thousands call APIs, but very few understand the internal machinery. Well, a new project on GitHub is changing that. It offers a rare look inside the black box by guiding you to build one yourself, line by line. The project is called LLMs from Scratch. It comes from the well-known author and educator Sebastian Raschka, and what it does is provide a complete, step-by-step guide to building a ChatGPT-like language model using only the PyTorch framework. The educational value here is undeniable. The project has already accumulated over 93,000 stars, with more than 700 added in just the last day. That kind of traction signals a deep desire among developers to move beyond just using these tools. So, what's the core problem this project is trying to solve? It's the black box nature of modern AI. Most developers interact with large language models through high-level libraries, like Hugging Face transformers, or through direct API calls. These tools are powerful, but they abstract away all the complex inner workings. This creates a huge gap in fundamental understanding. In the past, if you wanted to learn these internals, you had to wrestle with dense academic papers. LLMs from Scratch offers a unique and practical alternative. It demystifies the magic by providing a structured, hands-on path to building a functional model, making advanced concepts accessible and concrete. The project's design philosophy is learning by building. It intentionally avoids high-level LLM libraries, forcing a direct engagement with the core mechanics using pure PyTorch. The whole architecture is designed for teaching, structured to mirror its companion book. You start by implementing foundational components, like a text tokenizer. From there, you move on to code the heart of the model, the attention mechanism. This is where you learn how it weighs the importance of different words in a sequence. Think of it like assembling a complex machine. You don't just get the finished product. You build the engine, the transmission, and the chassis yourself. The project guides you in stacking these transformer blocks to form a complete, trainable GPT-like model. It even includes implementations of modern optimization techniques, like KV cache to speed up text generation and LoRa for parameter-efficient fine-tuning. This ensures the learning experience isn't just academic. It's also highly relevant to current industry practices. Let's be clear. The primary application of this project is education, not production. So, who's using it? You've got software engineers transitioning into AI, students who want to go deeper than their coursework allows, and researchers who need a transparent baseline for experiments. It provides a robust platform for anyone looking to build foundational expertise, not just application-level skills. The barrier to entry? A solid grasp of Python is all you need to get started. While the core code is optimized to run on a standard laptop, if you want to explore pre-training or larger-scale fine-tuning, you'll benefit from having GPU access. Ultimately, it empowers users to truly understand the technology they might otherwise only be consuming. Since the project is the official code for a published book, community interaction is handled a bit differently. The author welcomes feedback through dedicated forums, which is great, but he also clarifies that contributions altering the main code can't be accepted. This is to maintain consistency with the book, and this structure is generally seen as a positive. It ensures a stable and reliable resource for learners who are following the curriculum. Now, for a contrarian take, the project's greatest strength is also its main limitation. The code is explicitly designed for teaching, not for production servers. It's missing the hardening, the error handling, and the scalability features you'd need for commercial use. What's more, because it's tied to a book, the project is effectively a snapshot in time. It covers modern techniques, yes, but its development might not keep pace with the blistering speed of the LLM field. After all, maintaining parity with the physical book is the top priority. So, to wrap it up, LLMs from scratch is not a framework for building the next big AI product. It is something much more fundamental. It's an exceptionally well-crafted educational tool that systematically deconstructs the complexity of modern language models. For any developer who wants to move from being a user to a true creator, this project offers an unparalleled path to genuine understanding.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.